Welcome to Brain Vision.
So we want to find the average speed of the bowling ball. So we can say that the velocity of sound would be equal to the delta x divided by delta t, which means that the time taken for the sound to reach back to the bowler would be equal to delta x divided by the speed of sound, or the velocity of sound. And so this would be equal to 16.5, the length of the bowling alley, and then divided by the speed of sound, 340 meters per second. We can say that the time of the sound to reach back to the bowler would be 4.85 times 10 to the negative seconds. Now, the time it takes for the ball, the time to reach the bowling pins from the bowler's hand would be equal to the total time minus the time it takes for the sound to reach the bowler. So this would be equal to 2.50 seconds minus 4.85 times 10 to the negative seconds. And this is going to equal 2.4515 seconds. And to find the velocity of the bowling ball, this would be equal to the distance of the bowling alley divided by the time of the time sub ball. So this would be equal to, of course, 16.5 meters divided by 2.4515 seconds. And this is equaling 6.73 meters per second. So this would be our final answer. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.